Screening experiments are a sort of statistical design of experiments used to determine which factors have the most impact on a specific process or system. The purpose of a screening experiment is to rapidly identify the most essential parameters that must be improved to increase the performance of the process. Typically, this is accomplished by assessing a large number of factors concurrently and identifying which factors have the greatest impact on the response variable of interest. Screening tests are helpful in Lean Six Sigma process improvement projects because they enable firms to rapidly identify the most important aspects that must be addressed to achieve process improvements. By applying statistical methods to determine the relationship between multiple factors and the response variable, companies can concentrate their efforts and allocate resources on the most influential aspects. Our review of the literature on screening experiments in Lean Six Sigma initiatives demonstrates the significance of rigorous experiment planning and design in achieving reliable results. This comprises identifying the proper response variable, evaluating the suitable components, and conducting the experiment under controlled settings. A product manager tasked with enhancing the quality of a particular product would be an example of an employee in a product management organization who may conduct screening experiments. They may run a screening experiment to determine which elements, such as raw materials, manufacturing procedures, and product design, have the most impact on product quality. By utilizing statistical methods to examine the relationship between these parameters and product quality, the product manager might concentrate their attention on the most important elements and make the required adjustments to enhance product quality. Another illustration: a manufacturer of plastic containers desires to increase the efficacy of the liquid filling process. The company runs a screening experiment to determine the most important parameters determining the process's effectiveness. They assess variables such as the speed of the filling machine, the liquid's viscosity, and its temperature. After examining the results of the screening trial, the company concludes that the filling machine speed has the most significant impact on process efficiency. They then undertake additional trials to adjust the speed of the filling machine, resulting in a significant increase in process efficiency and total output. This example demonstrates the value of screening experiments for enhancing manufacturing processes. By rapidly identifying the most important elements influencing process efficiency, the organization was able to optimize the factor with the highest influence, resulting in considerable process improvements. In conclusion, screening tests are a great tool for Lean Six Sigma-focused firms seeking to enhance their processes and systems. By rapidly identifying the most crucial variables that need to be addressed, organizations may deploy resources more effectively and enhance processes more efficiently.